guys. Hello, baby. Say hi to my vlog. Yes, baby.
Nandito po kayo kami.
Hirap ko sa akin. Ay, napindot ko to. So guys, this is the restaurant or the food court in Dar Al Salam Mall in Doha. Ayan po. So ito yung Burger King. Yung Subway, McDonald's, and of course, Jollibee. The Filipinos' favorite restaurant, fast food. They are now, guys.
Rice tayo. Rice tayo.
Rice tayo. Ikaw, be, ano na?
Rice eh?
Oo. Ba't kaya hindi tayo kumuha ng bucket na lang para diba? Ang sarap. Ayan yung Jollibee. Oh, yeah. Jollibee. Tayo na ano? Chicken? Yung may ano na siya? Yung isang set. Ikaw nga magtingin natin. Ano? Ayun na isang ano na. So guys, ito yung Jollibee. Nandoha ka ba? The Jollibee here.
Yan lang sa 65 oh.
Ayan po si guard, si Nick, at saka si
Yun. So, hindi po kami magkasusundo kasi ako gusto ko spaghetti. Eh sila, gusto nilang kanin. Ayoko chicken. So, ang nangyari, kanya-kanya na lang po kami kasi hindi kami nagkakaintindihan.
Ayan po. May istorya ang bawat
Pwede mo isa
Ayan. Ayan yung Jollibee.
Kukuha na tayo upuan.
Kasi si Adrian mo.
Ha? Drinks
Coke,
ano?
lahat,
Coke lahat.
Si Jollibee. Ito yung Jollibee.
Hey, ganto.
Your friend here in food court in Jollibee. He's busy guys. With her friends. Jollibee here.
Ha? Nangalaga.
No? Mylene. This is
Sa kanya yun.
Napagkaisahan niyo si Alma dali.
Ganyan, parang makapatuloy na ako ng buhok. Kasi nga magbibit-bit pa tayo ng
So guys, we're done our dinner from Jollibee.
And McDo. Namiss ko yung price ng McDo, promise. Number one talaga para sa akin ang price ng McDo. Pero yung chicken ng Jollibee napakaliit.
tanggal niya. Si Mylene. So guys, we're done. We're going home now.
Five, no problem. Five. Only very far.
We are in the parking now. So bye bye guys. Thank you for watching on my vlog for today and see you on my next video. Bye. Te. Kabog. So guys, it's time. We're loading now. Ayan po yung mall. Let's go. Dar Al Salam Mall. Pasok guys. Pasok.
Railway station dream, and I want you to be my queen. But now I know that it's not right, so pack the things and leave behind the mess you did last summer night. Let's go to a place where comes the light. You'll be my